heard the girlies are looking for some inspiration for pink. I polled some people on my Instagram stories asking what color they really had trouble styling, and pink was one of them, and it's actually the perfect time to talk about it because it is Valentine's Day, it's love month, so pink, instead of wearing red, pink is going to be the first color of the series. I'm going to start doing a monthly series for colors if you're having trouble styling any colors. So make sure you comment down below for next month which color you guys want me to do like a rundown about. So pink is actually a mix of white and red. Red is actually my favorite color. I think I'm very biased in liking pink. My personal style would say it's feminine or girly, so parts of it. If you're interested in learning more about the color pink, make sure you subscribe and keep watching. I'm gonna give out some recommendations as well, some items that I found online that I will be linking on my shop by and also down in the description down below. Well, you can use pink in a lot of different ways. As you saw, my blush early in the video, it was like way pink, like a Barbie pink, but now it's kind of diluted. I toned it down a little bit so it's not as pink, but there is one of the items that I chose from my guide that it's this pink dress. There's three pink dresses that have that hot pink, but it's subtle, so I think it'd be a great dress for you to wear if you're going to a picnic or like a dinner date for Valentine's Day. And I have a light pink on my nails, which I love more of a lighter pink. There's mauve. My lipstick is more of like a mauve. I know a lot of people, that one's kind of like a darker mauve. And I have some examples here as well. Monochromatic pink in an outfit. Maybe a lighter pink if you don't want to do too much of like a boldness in your style. So I would say a pastel pink would be perfect if you're wanting to still try out pink, but also do monochromatic. Monochromatic is obviously one color, and then analogs is like mixing it with like a light purple or a pink, light pink and a light purple, but pastel to make it soft. Analogs is an adjacent color in the color wheel, so like a cross, so a purple, like a blue or an orange. But if you're wanting to just start off wearing pink, you have to go monochromatic because it's, especially with a light pink, like a light pink shoe or a light pink dress. I'm gonna add an example here. If you like these types of videos of like a style guide, make sure you let me know down in the comments so I can continue doing more. And also, thanks again for watching this video. Let me know what color I should do next month. Stick around for more color theory videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.